Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to take a quick look at my Toyota Tacoma. After this video is uploaded, I'm going to make the mod public. Let me first mention that this is only the PC version, and I will go into more details in the video and discuss the console version. And also, if you stay tuned to the end, I'm going to discuss the community mod project, because it's been a week now since we've put the votes up, so we're going to take a look at that. So looking at the Tacoma right now, I've got my favorite setup on there. I've got the Baja Claw wheels with the TRD Pro side steps, roll bars, and the suspension engine. Just some of my favorite setups I've added. But I'm going to go into more details and show you guys what other customization options you got with this. So for the engines, I've got 3 engine options, and the engine options are based off the vanilla game performance. So basically, the more powerful engine you fit on there, you're going to have a higher fuel consumption. Moving into the gearboxes, I've put many options in there to try cater for as many players as possible. So we've got a crawler gearbox, we've got a highway, we've got a fine-tuned, non-fine-tuned, and a stock. And all of these gearboxes are fully capable. For the suspension, we've got the RCLT. This is a crawler type suspension. Then we've got the balance suspension set, which is actually my favorite. And we've got a toe-in, which gives you stiffer rear springs for pulling trailers. And we've got a lifted fork sport. You can see the camber angle created at the front end. That's from the independent front suspension. Tires, we've got a full selection of tires. We've got all-terrains, off-road, mud, and we've got chains and studded tires as well. This time around, I've made the winches a bit different. So rather than just jumping over to the Scout Extended, it's actually cost more, and I think you unlock it at rank 5. So there's a progression in the winch system, and I'm going to use this going forward for all the other mods. You've got your standard snorkel, and for the frame add-on, this is where it gets interesting. So let me turn this off. So first you could fit the fuel and wheel frame, and once you fit that, you're able to unlock the wheels, so you could fit whatever wheel you want based on the wheel that's actually fitted onto the truck, which is really cool. You also get a large fuel crate, so you could use the truck as a service vehicle if you need to. And you got some other standard add-ons. You got this custom toolbox. You've got a custom roll bar with lights. We've got a pick and shovel which provides 40 spares. And we have got the authentic TRD roll bars. There are no rear bumpers, you only get the stock one. For extra add-ons, we've got the Pro side step, we've got standard side step. And you can actually remove the trailer hitch if you don't want it fitted on there. And the front bumper, we have got an off-road front bumper with a Toyota branding on there. So for the console version, this is going to have to be removed. Many color choices, same as my other trucks. Just the same color palette, just copied and pasted over. And the interior, we've got some bubble heads and some cards for the mirror. And that's it. So I'm out here in Smithfield Dam. I'm just going to take a quick drive around and show you how the truck performs and just go over a few details. And then I'm going to jump into discussing the community mod, which is the next mod coming up. As you can see, the truck details, the textures looks really, really good. I spent a lot of time trying to get the textures just right. The truck is a new truck, but it's got scratches, it's got wear. The interior is well detailed as well. Gauges work as usual, and this setup right here is my favorite setup for trailing. The Baja Claws are not the best tires for mud, but they look so cool. I've also given them a slight buff, so they can be used as an all-round tire. The way the truck handles, the way it feels, the weight distribution, I spent a lot of time tweaking this, so you guys should really appreciate the amount of work that went into this. As always, I know you guys are going to be asking, even if I say it a million times, this is coming to console. It's just going to take some time to get all the branding off. There's a lot of Toyota logos on everything really, and all inside of the code, so it's going to take me a couple of days to get it converted to a console version, and I will upload it when it's done. As with all my mods, I try to aim for immersion, and I don't want to take away from the base game experience. I still want it to be a challenge using my trucks. So this is catered towards the players who want to use mods, but they still want to enjoy the base game challenges. The thing I'm most impressed in about this truck is the way it handles and the way it looks. And I think this has set the bar for every future mod I'm going to produce. Another little cool feature is the front facing blind spot camera. So you could see it covers the blind spot at the front of the vehicle. I thought that would be a cool add-on rather than just put a media player in there, because the Tacoma actually has this in real life. I want to take this time out to thank everyone who's helped me on this project. BA 2017, Rafa, Nitro Scott, and everyone else who tested this. The feedback you guys have been giving me has been really helping me to tweak this to perfect it. Yeah, so guys, this is going to drop today. So if you're on PC, stay tuned for that. If you're on console, just hang tight. I'll get to you guys soon. Alright, let's move on to the community mod. Alright, so the Ram 3500 has won a unanimous amount of the votes. So this is going to be the next truck getting worked on in the D&D workshop. I don't know the turnaround. It's my first time I'm going to actually do this event, and I'm still doing other mods alongside it. So I give maybe 4, maybe 5 weeks, hopefully. And the benchmark, as I said, is the Toyota Tacoma. So it's going to take a lot of time. I'm going to spend a lot of time, trying to perfect this, the next mod. I will be open for some suggestions on add-ons. I can't take too many on, unfortunately, because that will extend the production time of the mod. This community mod event is going to be like a test to see how it goes. So hopefully, if this all works out well, the next event will be even bigger. And I'll be giving you guys more details on that as time goes by. So that's all for me, guys. I hope you guys are going to appreciate the amount of work that went into this. And stay tuned. I will release work in progress videos of the Ram 3500. Hopefully by next week I should have something ready to show you guys. And we'll move on from there. Enjoy the rest of the video of me just cruising around. And if you use the Tacoma, just drop me some pictures on Facebook or on Discord. Thanks for watching, and I'll chat to you guys next time. Bye bye.